After plugin activation, you are in the main setting page, General Settings. AI providers, custom prompt, and automation settings on the top. Under General Setting are Featured images only, all H2 headings, every second H2 heading, and featured with all H2 headings images. Target categories, and batch size width. Number of images to process in each batch, prevents server overload. Custom image size, choose the aspect ratio for generated images. Replacement policy, only create the missing images, replace all images, smart replace, avoid duplicates. AI model provider settings. 8 premium AI model text-to-image providers available. Insert your own API key. Save changes. Custom prompt settings. Featured image prompt, where you can add own prompt for feature images. H2 image prompt, where you can add own prompts for subtitles, H2. Global style settings, adjust the global prompt for created your own style images. Automation settings, enable cron job on off, and cron job frequency. By click on toggle cron job you will activate or deactivate cron job. We setting FLUX Schnell low cost 1000 images for $3 for testing. Test 1, feature image setting only. Test 2, replace all images. Plug and keep old images and you can select which one you want. Test 3, missing all images. Test 4, missing all images for international titles and subtitles. We use Replicate Flux Schnell low-cost 1000 images for $3 for this testing. And AI post-image generator WordPress plugin standard prompt. All new images are with title and alt text friendly for search engine optimization. Our plugin will help you save time, money, and copyright issues. Visit https://aipostimagesgenerator.com for more details.